Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to see your Wi-Fi password on a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've got another device you wish to connect to get started. Go to the bottom of your computer and press search, and type in control panel like so, and open it up. Come to the left, and you can press network and internet. Then you can press network and sharing. Enter, come over to the right interconnections, and you can tap on your Wi-Fi. You'll get this pop-up in here. You need to find the option for wireless. And it's there. You can go and click on it. Then you can press security at the top, and you can find network security key where you can then select show characters, and you have to go and see the password, and you can go and use it on the other device or just note it down.